In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable pop-up windows in Microsoft Edge with this updated 2026 full guide. If you're using a Windows 11 computer and a website needs to open a sign-in page, payment page, download window, or another important tab, you may need to allow pop-ups in Microsoft Edge. By default, Edge blocks many pop-up windows to help reduce unwanted interruptions, but there are times when turning that setting off is necessary for certain websites to work properly. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can change the setting without confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main menu for Edge, and it gives you access to the browser's settings and tools. From that menu, select Settings. After the Settings page opens, look through the options on the left-hand side and go to Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains several browser controls related to security, tracking, and website behavior. From there, continue until you find Site Permissions. Click into that area, since this is where Microsoft Edge lets you manage what websites are allowed to do, including access to features like notifications, camera, location, and pop-ups. Once you're inside Site Permissions, go to All Permissions. This section shows a full list of website permission categories available in the browser. Scroll down through the list until you find pop-ups and redirects, then click on it to open that setting. Now you'll see the main control for pop-ups. To allow pop-up windows in Microsoft Edge, turn off the block toggle. When this setting is disabled, Edge will no longer block pop-up windows and redirects by default, which means websites that rely on them should be able to open properly. If you only need pop-ups for a specific task, it's a good idea to turn this setting back on afterward, since blocking pop-ups can still help prevent unwanted windows from appearing while you browse. But if you regularly use trusted websites that need pop-ups, this setting can save you time and frustration. That's all it takes to enable pop-up windows in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. Follow those same settings anytime you want to change it back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in